Your spine straight. Close your eyes. Take a deep breath in and exhale. Take a deep breath in and exhale. Take a deep breath in. Hold it there. Om. Om. ॐ श्री गणेशाय नमः। ॐ श्री सरस्वत्यै नमः। ॐ श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। समस्तजनकल्याणे निरतं करुणामयं नमामि चिन्मयं देवं सद्गुरुं ब्रह्मविद्वरं यो अन्तः प्रविश्य मम वाचमिमां प्रसुप्तां सञ्जीवयत्यखिलशक्तिधरस्वधाम्ना अन्यांश्च हस्तचरणश्रवणत्वगादीन् प्राणान् नमो भगवते पुरुषाय तुभ्यम्। प्राणान् नमो भगवते पुरुषाय तुभ्यम्। हरिः ओम् श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः। हरिः ओम्। अगजानन पद्मार्कं गजाननमहर्निशम् अनेकदन्तं भक्तानाम् एकदन्तमुपास्महे। श्रीमहागणपतये नमः। गुरवे सर्वलोकानां भिषजे भवरोगिणां निधये सर्वविद्यानां दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। अस्मद्गुरुचरणारविन्दाभ्यां नमः। ज्ञानानन्दमयं देवं निर्मलं स्फटिकाकृतिम् आधारं सर्वविद्यानां हयग्रीवमुपास्महे। श्रीहयग्रीवमूर्तये नमः। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणि विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धेर्भवतु मे सदा। श्रीमहासरस्वत्यै नमः। उमाकोमलहस्ताब्जसम्भावितललाटकं हिरण्यकुण्डलं वन्दे कुमारं पुष्करस्रजं। वेट्रिवेल् मुरुगनक्क हर हरो हर भूतनाथ सदानन्द सर्वभूतदयापर रक्ष रक्ष महाबाहो शास्त्रे तुभ्यं नमो नमः। स्वामिये शरणमय्यप्पा कोमलं कूजनं वेणु श्यामलोऽयं कुमारकः वेदवेद्यं परं ब्रह्म भासतां पुरतो मम। सायंकाले वनान्ते कुसुमितसमये सैकते चन्द्रिकायां त्रैलोक्याकर्षणाङ्गं सुरवरगणिका मोहनापाङ्गमूर्तिम् सेव्यं शृङ्गारभावैः नवरसभरितैः गोपकन्यासहस्रैः वन्देऽहं रासकेलीरतमतिशुभगं पश्य गोपालकृष्णम्। आनीलश्लक्ष्णकेशञ्ज्वलितमकरसत्कुण्डलं मन्दहासस्यन्दाद्रं कौस्तुभश्री परिगतवनमालोरुहाराभिरामम् श्रीवत्साङ्गं सुबाहुं मृदुलसदुदरं काञ्चनच्छायचेलं चारुस्निग्धोर्मं भोरुहललितपदं भावयेऽहं भवन्तम्। श्रीकृष्ण गोविन्द हरे मुरारे हे नाथ नारायण वासुदेव। श्रीकृष्ण गोविन्द हरे मुरारे हे नाथ नारायण वासुदेव। श्रीकृष्ण गोविन्द हरे मुरारे हे नाथ नारायण वासुदेव। सदा सर्वत्र गोविन्द नाम संकीर्तनं गोविन्द गोविन्द। मोक्षाब्धिसारमय भागवताख्य दध्नो नारायणीयनवनीतमोहो गृहीत्वा मायामयौघपरितप्तजनाय योगात् नारायणावनिसुराय नमोऽस्तु तस्मै गङ्गा गीता च गायत्रपि च तुलसिका गोपिका चन्दनं तत् सालग्रामाभिपूजा परपुरुष तथैकादशी नाम वर्णाः एतान्यष्टाप्ययत्नान्यपि कलिसमये त्वत्प्रसादप्रवृद्ध्या क्षिप्रं मुक्तिप्रदानीत्यभिददृशयस्तेषु मां सज्जयेथाः हरये नमः गोपिका जीवनस्मरण गोविन्द गोविन्द श्री पोन्नुगुरुवायुरप्पने शरणम् आनन्दचिन्मयने शरणम् चोटानिकर भगवती अम्मये शरणम् नारायण अखिल गुरो भगवन् नमस्ते Pranams to the Lord. Pranams to all the Mahatmas in tonight's Narayanian session. We are going to do 40th Dashakam today. It is in Dhruta Vilambita Chandas. Have you done it before? That much awareness is there. So it's a new Chandas that we are going to do. Quickly write down the definition in your notebook. Because I want you all to do the Guru Laghu for it. I will say the Rasva Dirgha while you are writing. So the name of the Chandas is what? Dhruta Vilambita. Correct. So you should write Dhruta Vilambitamah. So Dhru, the downline Dhru, and it's a Rasva Ukara. Dhru, ta, V is short Ikara, V, Lam, B, also short, ta, ma, ha. So Dhruta Vilambitam, aha, means what is Dhruta Vilambitam. But when we are putting it together, Dhruta Vilambitam and aha, Dhruta Vilambita maha. Okay, this is one part. All correct? So far so good. Understood what you are writing? The definition of Dhruta Vilambita. Dhruta Vilambita is, or Dhruta Vilambita means, aha means, it is said, it is called as. So Dhruta Vilambita maha. Okay, and then there are two words. Nabhav, au, and then other word is harau, au. That is the definition. Okay, so now before I tell you all the answer, just work on, mark the Guru Laghu for this. Dhru is what? Dhru is what? Quickly answer. It's a Dhruta, it's a Laghu or a Guru word?
Laghu.
So how we mark Laghu?
Like a curve, like a inverted
like a
C.
curve, like a Chandra. Not the
Chandra.
Bindu, just the Chandra. Just the Chandra is a Laghu. And how do we mark the Guru?
Line, just a line, like
Just
a hyphen.
a line, a hyphen. Okay, so Dhru is what?
So it's a Laghu.
Dhru is a Laghu. Then Dhrita. Ta is a what?
Laghu.
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 V is
Laghu.
what?
Laghu again.
Laghu.
Laghu.
So
Again.
we have three Chandras. Okay. So now you complete that line. Complete. La is what?
Guru.
Is also, is it a guru?
Gu.
La is Guru.
Guru.
La is Guru. Why La is Guru?
Swara.
Because the next one is the conjunct.
Conjunct.
Dhruta, V, Lambita, no? That half ma and B. So the La has become Guru. Okay. Then that B is what then?
He is also guru. I mean, Laghu.
B is Laghu.
Laghu.
B is Laghu. The word, the alphabet before a conjunct is a Guru. But the conjunct itself can be Laghu or Guru. Here the E ki matra is short. So this is Laghu. Vrutavilambi. B is Laghu. Ta is
Laghu.
Ta is Laghu.
Laghu.
Then next word. Ma.
Ma is a guru.
Guru.
Ma is Guru because it's a Dirgha sound. Ma.
Dirgha.
Ha is
Laghu.
Laghu. Na is
Na is also Laghu.
Laghu. Bhau is
Guru.
How is
Guru.
Bhau is Guru. Bha is
Laghu.
Laghu.
Laghu. And Rau is
Guru.
Guru?
Guru. Okay. Kids, you are not following this Laghu Guru, right? Or there is a doubt in your Anish, Anika and Arjun? Guru Laghu is understood or not?
Yes.
It's understood, right? So what's happening
Yeah,
is
but
understood. You
not
understand?
fully. Yeah.
Okay. So if you will write the definition somewhere quickly, you will able to follow it. Would you able to write now quickly? Vritta Vilambitamaha.
Guru.
Now, after doing, others who have finished doing this, mark at the 3-3 set. Put well, after every 3, mark that line. After every 3, mark that line. Okay? Did you write, my dear child? Okay. So now you mark. Dru is a short sound. So it is Laghu. So you put one Chandra Bindu on top of Dru. Ta is a short sound. So it is Laghu. Another Chandra Bindu. Dhruta V. V is a short sound. So another Chandra Bindu over it. So Dhruta V. La is a Guru. So you put a hyphen. Because after La is that Mbita is coming, right? So when conjunct is coming, previous sound is Guru. So on La you put a hyphen. Then Bita, B is a Laghu sound because it's short sound. Ta is also a Laghu because it is a short sound. So Dhruta Vilambita Ma. Ma is a Dirgha sound. So you put a hyphen because Ma is a Guru. Put a. Then Ha is a short sound. So it is Laghu. So you put one Chandrabin. Then Nabhau. In that Na is a Laghu. And Bhau is a Dirgha sound. So it is Guru. Okay? Dhruta Vilambita Maha, Nabhau and Bharau are the words. So in Nabhau, Na is Laghu, you put a Chandra Bindu. And Bhau is Guru, you put a hyphen. Are we clear? So now Bharau, you tell me, kids, what will be the mark on Bharau?
The same as the previous one.
Correct. So Bha is Laghu and Rau is Guru. So
Guru.
Chandra and not a Bindu, Chandra only and then one hyphen. Okay. Now what you do, you group 3-3 and put one big slash. So first you got Laghu, 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 right? Put one slash. Then whatever you got, after 3, put one slash. So make the groups of 3. Did you do that? Okay, so much clear now? Okay. So how many? Oh, my alarm buzzed because for the 5:30 class, but our classes that my alarm has not changed. Okay, so how many groups you have got of 3s?
4.
Four.
4 groups.
Are there? So 4 groups, 4 into 3, that means in Dhruta Vilambita, in one Pada, we have got 12 alphabets. So much clear? Okay, so 4 Padas, 12 and 12, 24, 24 and 24. We have got 48 alphabets in Dhruta Vilambita. Now that group we have made. Okay. So Ganas you all have forgotten, but we will revise. So when everything is Guru, we say heavy, right? Heavy. Guru, other meaning is heavy. So I said, remember Man. Man, sometimes mind becomes heavier when we are sad and mind becomes lighter when we are happy. So I said, remember man. So when everything is guru, it is a ma gana. And when everything is laghu, it is a na gana. Remember, I had said this. So now in the first group, what is the group? All three are laghu, correct?
No.
So it will be
Nagana.
na gana. Okay. Now after that, what is the set?
Is Guru, Laghu, Laghu.
So it is first guru and then two laghus are there. So when first is guru, what would be the gana? When there is one guru in the starting?
Bha.
Bha gana. So this gana name is Bha. Okay. The second set is also in the similar name, similar pattern. One guru and then two laghus. Correct? So one guru and then two laghu. So that is also Bha gana. Then in the last one, we have one laghu in the center. You remember? Who remembers that line? Yarata yanti laghavam.
Yeah. Yarata yanti laghavam bhajasa gauravam yanti.
Correct. Bhajasa gauravam yanti. So bha, if the first is the guru, bha, then that is a bha gana. Bhaja. If guru is in the center, it is a ja gana. When it is guru. Sa in the end. If guru is in the end, then it is a sa gana. So bhajasa anti gauravam. And then we have yarata yanti laghavam. Correct? So now
Yeah,
this
yes.
is which gana? Yarata. If laghu is in the center,
Yeah. Ragana.
ra gana. Okay? If anybody has still not understood, please stop me and ask the question. Kids, are you clear now? Yes. So now what are the ganas we, sorry, Sumana ji?
Ma'am, could you just again tell me if the starting is laghu, it is na. If the starting is guru, it is bha. And then if there is two laghus and one guru, it is bha. After that,
No. Starting, no. Starting, no. If all are laghu, then it is na gana. If all are guru, all the three are guru, then it is ma gana.
Okay.
Then write this formula and keep bhajasa gauravam yanti. Bhajasa gauravam yanti. Yarata yanti laghavam. Please write this somewhere and keep. Bhajasa gauravam yanti. Yarata yanti laghavam. Okay, this is our formula. Gauravam means guru. Laghavam means laghu. Now, if one guru is there, other two are laghu. If the guru is in the beginning, then it is bhagana. If guru is in the center, it is jagana. If guru is in the ending, it is sagana. Bhajasa gauravam yanti. Okay, this much is clear. One alphabet is guru, then the combination. So one alphabet is guru means it can be in the first, it can be in the center, it can be in the last. If it's first, bha. If it is in the center, it is ja. If it is in the end, it is sa. Okay, this much clear? Yarata yanti laghavam. So laghus are there. So what are the three possibilities when there can be a single laghu? It can be at the starting, it can be at the ending, it can be in the middle. So if it is in the starting laghu, it is a yagana. If it is in the middle laghu, it is a ragana. If it is in the ending laghu, then it is a tagana. Are we all clear now? Bhajasa yanti, bhajasa gauravam yanti, yarata yanti laghava. Are we clear? So these are 6 ganas and then our man. If mind is heavy, all 3 gurus, ma gana. If our mind is lighter, all 3 laghu, it is na gana. Okay? Bhajasa, yarata, mana. Anybody now not understood? Oh, anybody is not understanding Laghu Guru? Now there is also a problem. All Rasvas are Laghu or Dirghas are Guru. One gross division. Then some small rules, like before one, what we say, conjunct, it will be a Guru, like that we will have. Okay? Now, anybody who has not understood, please say. Okay. So,
Where is Drita Vilambita Maha Nabhav Bharav coming?
in the Chandas Shastra. So, Chandas Shastra, it gives the definition, and all the Chandas, we are doing the definitions from beginning, in between, I'm telling. So, when they have given, the beauty of the Shastra is, they give the definition of the Chandas in the Chandas rule itself. So now this is the definition they gave. So now in this, what we got one Nagana, we got a Bhagana. Then we got a Bhagana, and then we got a Ragana. Correct? So they write the definition, that's the beauty. They write the definition in the rule where it is existing. So, and they express the definition also like that. Vrita vilambita maha nabhau bharau. Na bhau will be there and bharau will be there. Two. Na gana is there, bha gana is there, bha gana is there, and ra gana is there. So the definition will also explain na bha bhara. And when we decode it to Laghu Guru pattern and want to identify it on ourselves also, it will show the same pattern. That is the beauty that the Shastrakara so mathematically have put the Chandas definition in the rule that it exists. Okay. Now all are in same page. So last week when I said I will post in the group. So when I took it to post, I said, this is still confusing. I have to once talk and then I'll post, then it will understand. Otherwise, it will get confused. So there are 8 ganas with the possible of the 3, only 8 combinations are possible. All Guru or all Laghu, Ma and Na. And then Bhaja Sa, the Guru, if it is in the start, middle or the end, Bhagana, Jagana or Sagana. Then Yarata, if the Laghu is in the start, Yagana. If Laghu is in the middle, Ragana. If the Laghu is in the end, Sagana. Are we all clear now? Okay. So now this Dhruta Vilambita, how we will understand? There are 12 syllables in a pada and it follows Nagana, Bhagana, Bhagana, Ragana fashion. That's all. Clear? So we'll write this somewhere and keep and make a table. So now one more Chandas has added. Sajeev ji, this is what Chandas you remember? How many Chandases we have covered?
Yeah, I've added it into the table, so it's there. I'll just open that Chandas.
Yes, Ji.
So we have covered now 15.
So with Dhruta Vilambita, it's a 15th
Yes.
one.
Yeah, 15.
Okay. Those who have not made table, I'll give you all 1 week to make the table, starting from beginning. How many Chandas? So if the first one is in Sragdhara, and then probably the 34th, 35th is in Sragdhara. So first you will write number 1, Sragdhara, chapter 1. But then chapter 2 is in Shardula Vikridita. So 2, Shardula Vikridita and chapter 2. So when again that Chandas is repeated, you're putting comma and adding the name. So this side you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 going on. Then, okay, it's a Sragdhara, it's a Shardula Vikridita. You keep on writing the names of the Chandas as they come. And when they repeat, you add the chapter number top. So I give you 1 week to cover. 40 only chapters are there, not a big deal. If you all do, then I will share what Sajeev ji has shared with me. I said, no, if you will give the spoon feeding, they will not do. So if the whole effort is, you have to do it. When you do it on your own and you put your heart and mind in it, it will stay. But if it is spoon fed, you think you have it. So it is there. The book is only knowledgeable. The knowledge is not going in our head. It will be. The books are jnani, not us. It will happen like that. But if we write that, then we can also be a bit of some jnana getting into. Okay. Chalo. So let's go ahead. I've taken a lot of time today for this, and I had come with a plan. Okay, today I'll do 2 dashakams because it's short like that. I felt, but it is whatever it's Lord's wish, it will happen. So Mitapati Chachi, I'm going to meet you. Okay. Where are my kids? My star kids. Okay, kids, you all have to come with that chart, huh? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Number of. Then all the 3 of you can have one notebook also, doesn't matter, but the chandas should be there. Then with chapter. Then slowly for the following week, I'll give the homework of write that definition or the rule for that meter. Otherwise, that will be forgotten. So we should know that much also. So we will have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 will go in the margin. Then we will need probably like one small 1.5 inch or 1.5 inch, one column. And then maybe a 2-inch column. Rest, everything is left for writing the rule. Okay, but next week at least these first 3 columns will enter. Okay, so Anish is starting today. Oh, Arjun is starting. Okay, Arjun. So now in Dashakam 40, Dhrita Vilambita, the new chandas we have learned today, 12 alphabets. Nabhau Bharau is in the definition. Nagana Bhagana, Bhagana Ragana. Okay. Let us start. It is going to tell us about. So Lord's birth we saw. 1111 Leelas will start. In that now comes Putana Moksha. We have seen in the last one, this Pralamba Baka Putana Pramukha Danava Maninaha. They were Himiva Dushkaram Nishkrupahi. Those who don't have any krupa, whatever, any dushkarma they can do. So they are in what to say, they are on the row going ahead, killing all the babies in the town. So in that line now, this Putana has come over here. We saw her name, right? Pralamba Baka Putana, huh? In 39, the 7th, 39 Dashakam, the 7th verse, 2nd line. We have all these names. So in that, this Putana's entry is coming over here now. Let it. Tadanu Nandamamanda Shubhaspadam
तदनुनन्दममन्दशुभास्पदम्
Nrupapurinkaradana-krite gatam
नृपपुरीङ्करदानकृते गतम्
Samavalokya jagada bhavatpita
समवलोक्य जगाद भवत्पिता
Vidita Kamsa Sahaya Janodhyamaha
विदितकंस सहाय जनोद्यमः
So, Dhruta Vilambita. It's fast and slow. There's a combination and there is a pattern in which the alphabets are moving. You feel it's fast, but it's slow. Tadanu Nandamamanda Shubhaspadam Nrupapurinkaradana Krite Gatam.
तदनुनन्दममन्दशुभास्पदम् नृपपुरीङ्करदानकृते गतम्
Samavalokya jagada bhavatpita vidita kamsa sahaya janodhyamaha.
समवलोक्य जगाद भवत्पिता विदितकंससहाय जनोद्यमः तदनुनन्दममन्दशुभास्पदम् नृपपुरीङ्करदानकृते गतम् समवलोक्य जगाद भवत्पिता विदितकंससहाय जनोद्यमः.
So now what has happened is Bhavat Pita, Bhattatiri ji is saying to Lord that when Nanda Babaji has come to see your father, means whom? To Vasudev Maharaj Ji. So that time he has Jagada. He tells, your father tells to Nanda Babaji. That's all is there in the shloka. The rest, what is there? That his father knew what Vidita. He knew what Kamsa Sahaya Janodyamaha. Kamsa Sahaya means Kamsa's activities and the supporters of Kamsa. Kamsa Sahaya Janod. So all his Asura plans are going about, means they are killing out babies and all. This was the Maharaj Ji know. So because having known this, he is warning Nanda Babaji. He told. What he told, it will come later. And then in that first line, it is Tadanu. After that, this Nanda Babaji, who is, he is holder of so many virtues. He has come to Nrupapuri, to the capital, that is Mathura. Means he has come from Gokul to Mathura. And it is only because he has in his house the baby is born. So he's just come to pay respects that, okay, this has happened. So like that, he has just come to convey his happiness, like that. He's come just to pay the respect. But Vasudev Maharaj Ji knows what's happening in town. So he's going to tell him something. He's going to forewarn him that, or he'll ask him to go from there past, not to stay over there. Because the baby is in danger. You have left your baby alone and you have come, So Vasudev Maharaj Ji is knowing what is happening. Nanda Babaji is not knowing what is happening. So this is only that first line. Tadanu nandamamanda shubhaspadam nrupapurim karadana krite gatam samavalokyya jagada bhavatpita vidita kamsa sahaya janodyamaha. Yes, Anish. Oi sakhe tava balaka janmama.
अयि सखे तव बालक जन्म मां
सुखयतेऽद्य निजात्मज जन्मवत्.
सुखयते जनितात्मज जन्मवत्.
Nijatma, you have Nitatma.
I have Nijatma.
Nijatma only it is, but you said Nitatma, I think so.
Okay. सुखयते निजात्म जन्मवत्.
निजात्मज जन्मवत्. Nijatmaja janmavat.
सुखयते निजात्मज जन्मवत्.
I think I missed the joy in my chanting. Iti bhavat pitrutam vrajanayake.
इति भवत् पितृतां प्रजनायके.
Samadhiropya shashamsatamaadarat.
शशंसतमादरात्.
Shashamsa.
समधिरोऽप्यशंसतमादरात्.
Good. Ai sakhe tava balaka janmama sukhayate nijatmaja janmavat.
अयि सखे तव बालक जन्म मां सुखयते निजात्मज जन्मवत्.
Iti bhavat pitrutam vrajanayake samadhiropya shashamsatamaadarat.
इति भवत् पितृतां प्रजनायके समधिरोऽप्यशंसतमादरात्. अयि सखे तव बालक जन्म मां सुखयते निजात्मज जन्मवत्. इति भवत्पितॄणां पितृतां व्रजनायके समधिरोऽप्यशंसतमादरात्.
So nice to hear you. Ai Sakhe, oh my dearest friend, Tava Balaka Janma, the birth of your son, Ma'am Sukhayate Adya, makes me very happy today. Like Nijatmaja Janmavat, as though I am having my own son. Nija Atmajaha, my own Atmaja, from who is born from me. Jaha, Atmajaha, means born from me. And Janmavat, Nija Atmaja Janmavat. Like, what is like showing a simile. Like, he is born to me itself. Iti, in this way, Bhavat Pitritam, his fatherhood, Vrajanayake Samadhiropya, who is the Vrajanayaka, the head, the king of all the cowherds, Samadhiropya, he conferred upon him, and Shashamsa, having given that, with so loving, Tamadarat, with respect and with love, he conferred, he told him like this, like Ai Sakhe, he spoke like that I am happy as though I have got a son. Ai Sakhe, so only Vasudeva Maharaj knows that what he has done. He is the only one who has gone and exchanged and done this, so nobody else knows. Ai Sakhe tava balaka janma mam sukhayate adya. See, sukhayate adya today. Mam sukhayate adya nijatmaja janmavat iti bhavat pitrutam vrajanayake samadhiropya shashamsatamadarat. Sweet, ready? I like your little nicely forward. Iha cha santya nimitta shatani te.
इह च सन्त्यनिमित्तशतानि ते
Katakasīmnitato laghugamyatam.
कटकसीम्निततो लघुगम्यताम्.
Iti cha tadvachasa vrajanayakah.
इति च तद्वचसा व्रजनायकः
Bhavadapayabhiyadritamājayau.
भवदपायभिया वृत्तमाययो
Iha cha santya shatani te katakasīmnitato laghugamyatam.
इह च सन्त्यनिमित्तशतानि ते कटकसीम्निततो लघुगम्यताम्.
Iti cha tadvachasa vrajanayakah bhavadapayabhiyadritamājayau.
इति च तद्वचसा व्रजनायकः भवदपायभियादृतमाययो इह च सन्त्यनिमित्तशतानि ते कटकसीम्निततो लघुगम्यताम्. इति च तद्वचसा व्रजनायकः भवदपायभियादृतमाययो.
Excellent, sweet, you were so nice. Thank you. Okay, now what happens? Iha, over here. Santi animitta shatani. So there is that santi and a. E and a. Which sandhi? Anybody quickly? Swara sandhi? Forgotten na? Tomorrow please join Geeta class. It's starting tomorrow. Where we have done all the sandhis. Okay. So santi. Yes?
Yansan.
Yes, it's yan sandhi. E and a joining to form ya. Yan sandhi. Santi Animitta, E and A, Santya has happened. So it is Santi. Santi means R, A-R-E, R. Animitta Shatani. Shatani is, Shata means 100. But you know, I've got hundreds of problems when we say it's not literally counting 100. It means I've got many problems. You know, in that sense. 1,000 times I have told you. But you have not said 1,000 times. You can't even tell 10 times to anybody. Maximum you will tell 3 times and then you will get fed up. You just count how many times you have told. It will not cross 5 times. But we say 1,000 times I have told you. We'll say. That's it. 1,000 means it's like many times. So in that sense, Shatani is not 100. It is so many. Animitta. So there are lakshanas. There are some signs of good omen, bad omen. So over here he's saying, and te kataka sini, and even in your place also. So over here and in your place, there are so many bad omens. Therefore, tataha, laghu gamyatam, quickly you must go. Vasudeva Maharaj is telling to Nand Babaji. Iti tad vachasa, having heard these words from Vasudeva Maharaj ji, Vrajanayakaha, the king of the Vraja, Bhavat, apaya, bhiya. Apaya, bad thing. Bhiya, fear. That something bad might happen to Bhavat. Bhattatari ji is saying to Lord, that to you something bad might happen. With that fear, Dhrutamayayo, he returned quickly, came back quickly from there because Vasudeva Maharaj ji warned him. Iha cha santya nimitta shatani te katakasini tato laghu gamyata iti cha tadvacha savrajanayakaha bhavadapaya bhiyadritamayayau. Others who want to volunteer, please raise hands. Okay. Is your camera? Yeah, your camera is working. Yay. Number 4. Avasare khalu tatra cha kachana.
Avasare khalu tatra cha kachana.
Vrajapade madhurakritirangana.
Vrajapade madhurakritirangana.
Sarala षट्पदलालित कुन्तला.
Tarala षट्पदलालित कुन्तला.
कपटपोतकते निकटङ्गता.
कपटपोतकते निकटङ्गता.
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 कपटपोतकते निकटङ्गता.
कपटपोतकते निकटङ्गता.
अवसरे खलु तत्र च काचन व्रजपदे मधुराकृतिरङ्गना.
अवसरे खलु तत्र च काचन व्रजपदे मधुराकृतिरङ्गना.
सरल षट्पदलालित कुन्तला कपटपोतकते निकटङ्गता.
सरल षट्पदलालित कुन्तला कपटपोतकते निकटङ्गता. अवसरे खलु तत्र च काचन व्रजपदे मधुराकृतिरङ्गना. तरल षट्पदलालित कुन्तला कपटपोतकते निकटङ्गता.
So now the description has come. Putana has arrived. How she has come? Avasare khalu tatra. Tatra there, avasare khalu. At that time only, what has happened? Kachana, some. Madhurakriti Angana, very beautiful Angana woman. Vrajapade, in that Vraja, she has come. And how she has arrived with Tarala, Shat, Pada. Shat Pada are 6-legged means over here it's bees. Lalita Kuntala. Kuntala is her hair. And Lalita is they are around her hair as though caressing her hair. Because she is very beautiful and she has adorned some flowers and all. So the bees are hovering around that flower. She's walking with that in that. And then Kapata, deceptive potaka. Lord has taken a deceptive form, and to that Lord, te nikatangata, she went closer to Lord. Avasare khalu tatra च काचन व्रजपदे मधुराकृतिरङ्गना तरलषट्पदलालितकुन्तला कपटपोतकते निकटङ्गता Lalita there is actually a Visarga. But while chanting, I had not learned with Visarga. But when you are breaking a pada, the Visarga has to come. But when I learned, I have not done a Visarga over there. But technically, we are breaking a pada over there and then we are starting. So we should give a Visarga. I didn't learn it that way, but we will add it in our class because suddenly it dawned now only. So put a Visarga. Tarala षट्पदलालित कुन्तलाः कपटपोतकते निकटङ्गता. Today only first time I realized there is a Visarga. I don't know how it has come, but it is there. And we chanted with it. Because we know the rule, we'll apply the rule. That's the only way forward, I think. Though I didn't learn it that way. Never mind. Lataji. Sapadi sahrita balaka chetana.
Sapadi sahrita balaka chetana.
Nishicharanvaya kila putana.
Nishicharanvaya kila putana.
Nishicharanvaya kila putana.
Nishicharanvaya kila putana.
Vrajavadhushvihakeyamiti kshanam.
Vrajavadhushvihakeyamiti kshanam.
Vimrushati shubhavantamupadade.
Vimrushati shubhavantamupadade.
Sapadi sahrita balaka chetana. Nishicharanvaya kila putana.
Sapadi sahrita balaka chetana. Nishicharanvaya kila putana.
Vrajavadhushvihakeyamiti kshanam. Vimrushati shubhavantamupadade.
Vrajavadhushvihakeyamiti kshanam. Vimrushati shubhavantamupadade. Sapadi sahrita balaka chetana. Nishicharanvaya kila putana. Vrajavadhushvihakeyamiti kshanam. Vimrushati shubhavantamupadade.
So now what happens? Sapadi. At that moment, what is happening? Immediately at that moment, this Rita Balaka Chetana, the one who has taken the lives of so many children, Rita Balaka Chetana, Balakas Chetana Rita, that one who is Nishicharanvaya Ja. Nishichara, who is roaming in the night? Rakshasas only. So she is Ja, means born in the Rakshasa Kula. That Putana, Suddenly, now all this is happening all of a sudden simultaneously. She's coming in, bees are hovering, she's so very beautiful. The Lord has changed his deceptive form. He's going over there towards him. And this Vraja Vadhu iha ka ayam iti, kayam iti, a plus this kayam, how it is happening? Iya. A plus E is becoming A. What sandhi? Okay. So tomorrow's class. Okay. So Kayam, who is this? They are thinking. And in that moment, in that kshanam, Vrimrishatishu, when they were this, see the vibhakti, Vrimrishatishu, Vrajuvadhushu. It's going together. So this Vrimrishatishu is applied to the Vrajavadhushu. So this Vrajavadhu who are Vrimrishatishu, who are thinking that Kayam, who is this? That moment, Bhavantam Upadade, Putana picked the Lord. So how, it is not said pick the Lord, she picked you. Bhavantam Upadade. Bhattatiri is saying to the Lord that you were picked by her. Vrajavasis are thinking, who is this? The ladies are thinking. And that time, that moment means everything happened very fast. Before they could ask her who, what and all, before that only she has picked the Lord. Sapadi sahita balaka chetana Nishicharan vayaja kila putana Vrajavadhushviha vadhushu iha. U and E becoming. So again, see something. Now again I started talking about Sunday because the class is beginning and it's only to prompt you all to join tomorrow 5:30. Vrajavadhush, and I have posted all the class schedule. One PDF is posted. Feel free to join any of the classes across, even if you're not in those WhatsApp groups. Because sometimes same topic goes around in different. Other day we were reading Eknati Bhagavad, soon after the Narayaniam class, and all large descriptions started coming out over there. So beautiful. So sometimes the classes somehow match. What is happening in one class is flowing into the another class as well. So please join. Vrajavadhushviha keyamiti kshanam vimrushati shubhavantamupadade. Okay, Leelama. Leelama's camera is not on, so I'm not able to highlight you. Leelama, mute, keep yourself muted. Leelama, can you switch on your camera? I can't highlight you. Okay.
I got it.
Yeah. Okay. Number 6. Lalita bhava vilasahritatmabhihi.
Lalita bhava vilasa hritatmabhihi.
Yuvatibhih pratirodhumaparita.
Yuvatibhih pratirodhumaparita.
Tanamasau bhavananta nishedushi.
Dhanamasau bhavananda nishedushi.
Pradadushi bhavate kapatatmane.
Pradadushi bhavate kapatatmane.
Lalita bhava vilasahritatmabhihi yuvatibhih pratirodhumaparita.
Lalita bhava vilasa hritatmabhihi yuvatibhih pratirodhumaparita.
Stanamasau bhavananta nishedushi pradadushi bhavate kapatatmane.
Dhanamasau bhavananda nishedushi pradadushi bhavate kapadatmane. ललितभावविलासहृदात्मभिः युवतिभिः प्रतिरोधुमपारिता स्तनमसौ भवनान्दनिषेदुषी प्रददुषी भवते कपडात्मनि.
So now what happens? Lalita Bhava, she was so graceful. Vilasa Rutatma Bihi. She was so graceful in her movements. She was so very beautiful. So it is in the third case, Yuvati Bihi, all those Brajavasi ladies, Pratirodhum, to stop a Parita, were not, it was not possible for her, for them to stop her, because their minds got enchanted by her presence. Such a beautiful lady. Her grace is so nice, her body movements, her appearance. So they were like awestruck. And they couldn't stop her when Stanamasau, when she started to offer lot to nurse. She started breastfeeding. She gave her breast to the Lord. Bhavananta Nishedushi. Nishedushi is sitting in that house, in that bhavana, inside that house. She is sitting. Pradadushi, stanam pradadushi, she gave. And to whom? Bhavate kapatatmane. To you, Lord, who is so very deceptive. She doesn't know, but Lord has already had some plans in the mind. And everybody is engrossed in her beauty. And she has her own ulterior motives. But Lord, we know how it is. Sakapatatmane means you know what you are doing. So very, very deceitful appearance of the Lord. She's thinking it's only a baby, and she thought her job is going to get done and over. Lalita Bhava Vilasahatatmabhi Yuvatibhi Pratirodhuma Parita Stanamasau Bhavanam Tanishedushi Pradadushi Bhavate Kapatatmane. Okay, Sajivji. Number 7. Samadirhyatadankamasankitaha.
Hdhyatadangashamankitah.
I think I was lost in between. Could you chant again?
Samadhirohyatavangamashankitah.
Tad.
Samadhirohyatadangamashankitah.
Tvamatha balakalopanarositaha.
Tvamatha balakalopanarositaha.
Mahadivamraphalankuchamandalam.
Mahadivamraphalankuchamandalam.
Pratichuchushitha. So the first one is short, second one is long. Pratichuchushitha durvishadushitam.
Pratichuchushitha durvishadushitam. Pratichuchushitha durvishadushitam.
Durvisha, do short, V short. Only do in the dushitams, do is long.
Pratichuchushitha durvishadushitam.
Correct. Samadiruhyatadankamasankitaha Tvamatha balakalopanarositaha.
Samadhirohyatadankamasankitah Tvamatha balakalopanarositaha.
Mahadivamraphalankuchamandalam Pratichuchushitha durvishadushitam.
Mahadivamraphalankuchamandalam Pratichuchushitha durvishadushitam. Samadhirohyatavankamashankitah Tvamatha balakalopanarositaha. Mahadivamraphalankuchamandalam प्रतिचुचूषितदुर्विषदूषितम्.
Samadhiruhya, climbed up. Tad ankam, her lap. Anka, lap. On her lap, he climbed up. Ashankitaha, without having any hesitation. Tvam, you, Bhattatari is saying to the Lord, you were athap, there. Balakalopana roshitaha. Rosha, anger. Balakalopana, killing of babies. You were angry on her because she was busy killing all the babies. So you had no hesitation to go on her lap and climb on her lap. And Mahadeva Amraphalam, as though it is a very big mango. Uchamandalam, her breast. Pratichushita, started sucking it. Durvishadushitam, though it was poison, he knows that, Lord knows. She had poisoned it and cup. Though Lord knew that it is poison, he, as though it's like a very big mango, he started, happily sucking it. So she didn't have any efforts to do because Lord only climbed up, Lord only did, and Lord only latched up. Samadirhyatadankamasankitaha Tvamatha balakalopanaroshidaha Mahadivamraphalankuchamandalam Pratichuchushitha durvishadushitam. Radha Krishnanji, for 8. Asubhireva samandhayati Tvai, titvai, bitva.
असुभिरेव समद्दयिदत्वयि
Asubhirev samandhayati tvai.
असुभिरेव समन्थयदित्वयि
Stanamasau stanitopamana. Stanamasau stanitopamanisvana.
स्तनमसौ स्तनितोपमनस्वना
No, stanitopamanisvana. Stanitopamanisvana.
स्तनमसौ स्तनितोपमनिस्वना
Nisvana. Nirapatad bhayadaini vapuhu.
निरपदद्भयदायिनि जम्वपुः
Vapuhu, continuing. Pratigata pravisarya bhujavubhau.
प्रतिगदा प्रविसार्य भुजावुभौ
Asubhireva samandhayati tvai. Stanamasau stanitopamanisvana.
असुभिरेव समन्दयदि त्वयि स्तनमसौ स्तनितोपमनिस्वना
Nirapatad bhayadaini vapuhu. Pratigata pravisarya bhujavubhau.
निरपदद्भयदायिनि जंवपुः प्रतिगदा प्रविसार्य भुजावुभौ असुभिरेव समन्दयिदत्वयि स्तनमसौ स्तनितोपमनिस्वना निरपदद्भयदायिनि जंवपुः प्रतिगदा प्रविसार्य भुजावुभौ.
The tune will slowly come. It is when you're ending the first and the third pada, it is not ending correctly, but when you will hear it 1 or 2 more times, it will come. Doesn't matter. Pronunciation is okay. Okay. So asubhireva samam. So now asubhihi with her life. It's not sucking only the milk. He is sucking also her life out of Stanam dhayati, sucking the breast, he's sucking her life also, asau of her. And stanitopama nisvana. Stanitopama nisvana. Nisvana is a sound. Stanitopama means like a thunder. When big sound is heard, and Nirapatad, she falls down. In which form? Bhayadai nijam vapuhu. Nijam vapu, her original form. Vapu is body. Nijam vapu, her own body form, which is Bhayadai, which is so fierce. She's so huge. She's not at all the beauty form and that very young, delicate damsel. She's a huge Rakshasi, ogress. So her Bhayadai nijam vapuhu, her big form, nipatat, making thunderous sound. Stanitopama, like a thunder, nisvana, making that sound, patat. She falls down. Then, pratigata pravisarya bhujavubhau, bhujavubhau. Again, what sandhi? Ava has happened. So, bhujau, ubhau, after u is coming, yanta vanta sandhi. Also swara sandhi. So many swara sandhis have come. Huh? Bhujavubhau, bhujau, two hands, pravisarya, pratigata. So she has pratigata nijam vapuhu. She's gone back to her pratigata, into her original form of the ogress, and pravisarya bhujavubhau, spreading her both hands. She's lying like that flat on the ground with a thunderous sound. Asubhireva samandhayati tvai stanamasau stanitopamanisvana nirapatad bhayadai nijam vapuhu pratigata pravisarya bhujavubhau. So again, I have not learnt it, but it's strike now. Nijam vapuhu pratigata. So, nirapatad bhayadai nijam vapuh pratigata. So, when we will keep that in mind and hold it together, we will get the meaning. Because it's not pratigata pravisarya bhujavul. It is nija vapum pratigata. So, those who are able to hold the breath and remember the meaning and enjoy the, not just the mechanical chanting, but enjoy the meaning, then you put it together. I've not learned it that way. It has just struck me now only that it can be done, because pratigata is for the nijam vapu pratigata. In her original form, she has gone back to. It is in that sense. Okay. Today Lord is showing some lights. Okay, how it should be actually, kind of thing. But I traditionally not learned that way. Okay, Lalitama, let's do ninth one. Bhayada ghoshana bhishana vigraha shravana darshana mohita vallave. Everything is one word, so we cannot stop anywhere.
Bhayada ghoshana bhishana vigraha shravana darshana
Vigraha, not to do vigraha, because shra is a conjunct. So hashra. Bhayada ghoshana bhishana vigraha shravana darshana.
Bhayada ghoshana bhishana vigraha shravana darshana mohita vallave.
Vrajapade tadurasthala khelanam.
Vrajapade tadurasthala khelanam.
Durasthala. So,
Vrajapade tadurasthala khelanam.
correct. Vrajapade. The the will change into tat. Urasthala. Ura, chest. Urasthala is vakshasthala. Yeah? Vrajapade tadurastha. So, tat urastha. Tadurastha khelanam. Nanu bhavantam agrunhata gopikaha.
Nanu bhavantam agrunhata gopikaha.
Gopika. Go is dirgha, P short.
Nanu bhavantam agrunhata gopikaha.
Correct. भयद घोषण भीषण विग्रह श्रवण दर्शन मोहित वल्लवे.
भयद घोषण भीषण विग्रह श्रवण दर्शन मोहित वल्लवे.
व्रजपदे तदुरस्थल खेलनं ननुभवन्तमगृह्णत गोपिकाः.
व्रजपदे तदुरस्थलखेलनं ननुभवन्तमगृह्णत गोपिकाः. भयद घोषण भीषण विग्रह श्रवण दर्शन मोहित वल्लवे. व्रजपदे तदुरस्थलकेलनं ननुभवन्तमगृह्णत गोपिकाः.
Kelanam stha Mahaprana, but you have done best. Very good. Bhayada, frightening. Bhoshana, that sound. Bhishana, that sight. Vigraha, of that body. Shravana, darshana. So hearing and seeing all these Bhishana things. Mohita Vallave Vrajapade. All these Vajavrasis, all these Gopas, Gopis, they got shocked. Mohita, they were just stunned. And then Tat Urasthala Khelanam. When Lord is playing on her chest. Okay. Then Nanu, really, Bhavantam, to you, Agrunhata Gopikaha. Gopika have brushed and they have carried you. Bhattatriji is saying to the Lord. Bhavantam, to you, aapko. In that sense, Agrunhata. They held you. Past tense. Gopikaha agrinhata bhavantam. Gopika bhavantam agrinhata. That is a plain sentence that we can make over there. Bhayada ghoshana bhishana vigraha shravana darshana mohita vallave. Vrajapade tadurasthala khelanam nanubhavantam agrinhata gopikaha. Last time. We still have time to start the next one. Yay! I actually had plans to do two today, but we have time. We'll do one quickly. Real me. So let me go back to see who is real me. Acha, Sumana ji, it's you. Okay. Because in that list of raised hands, it's showing real me, so I didn't know who's it. Okay. Sumanaji, last one. Bhuvana Mangala Namabhirevate.
Bhuvana Mangala Namabhirevate.
Yuvati Bher Bahudha Krita Rakshanaha.
Yuvati Bher Bahudha Krita Rakshanaha.
Tvamai Vata Niketana Nathama.
Tvamai Vata Niketana Nathama.
Magadayan Kurutavaka Sevakam.
Magadayan Kurutavaka.
Mom finished. Ma has gone. Halantama has gone. Agadayan.
Agadayan Kurutavaka Sevakam.
Bhuvana Mangala Namabhirevate. Yuvati Bher Bahudha Krita Rakshanaha.
Bhuvana Mangala Namabhirevate. Yuvati Bher Bahudha Krita Rakshanaha.
Tvamai Vata Niketana Nathamam. Agadayan Kurutavaka Sevakam.
Tvamai Vata Niketana Nathamam. Agadayan Kurutavaka Sevakam. Bhuvana Mangala Namabhirevate. Yuvati Bhir Bahudha Krita Rakshanaha. त्वमैवात निकेतननाथ माम् अगदयन् कुरु तावक सेवकम्.
So now very beautifully it is ending over here. Bhuvana Mangala. Bhuvana Mangala. All the three lokas you are bringing auspicious. Okay. By chanting Lord's name only, right? Just by chanting his name. Yuvati bhihi, by Yuvati bhis, Bahuda, many times, Kruta Rakshana. Your name, people chant and they get themselves protected, they get themselves auspiciousness. But over here, Gopikas are protecting you. He's the one who is the protector. But now see how they have rushed and picked him up as if to protect the Lord. Lord is only protecting them. And they are taking Lord's name. They don't know this is the Lord. Still, see how it is. Such a lovely, that first line is. So, and then, as usual, he ends, Tvam, that you, O Mataniketa, O Guruvayura Pura Adhisha, Mam, to me, Agadayan, disease free. You make me disease free, Kuru. Avaka Sevakam, you make me your devotee. Now, this is the best thing we can ask, Lord, that you make me your devotee. Give me devotion. Our devotion is selective. It increases when we have problems, it decreases when we don't have. God is sitting over there. We look at him very ardently only in times of difficulty. Otherwise, we don't. But over here, Gopikas are not like that. Continuously, they are chanting Lord's name. And that Nama is only giving the protection. So, whenever we have to give a dan, the Annadana is the best in dana. Whenever we have to do any upasana, then that Saguna upasana is very good. And whenever we have to do any sadhana, then the Nama sadhana is the best. So in this Kali Yuga, these are the best things that we can do. Nama is glorified. So chanting Nama, Eknathi Bhagavat also we are going to see that way. That the Nama brings the changes. So if you're still not holding our Japamala, please do it at earliest. Which mantra? Whichever is your Ishta Devata, which you feel easy. Guru has not given, Guru will come in life. Prepare your body for that, prepare your mind for that, Guru will come. For now, take your Ishta Devata Nama. It has to happen. Without that, there is no other option. This is a unwritten rule. No, it's a written rule. In Kali Yuga, Nama only is so many saints, so many scriptures, they say. So if you're still not doing our japa, again this verse is telling that Bhuvana Mangala Nama Bhir Evate. Your Nama only protects the world. It brings auspiciousness to all. So with this we are completing. We are going into the next one immediately. Bhuvana Mangala Nama Bhir Evate Yuvati Bhir Bahudha Krita Rakshanaha Tvamai Vata Niketana Natha Mam Agadayan Kurutavaka Sevakam Sada Sarvatra Govinda Nama Sankirtanam Govinda Govinda Narayana Akhila Guru Bhagavan Namaste. Okay, we are going in the next or we are chanting this? What is the majority saying?
Going next version.
Okay. I knew it. I just simply asked. Okay. So in next 41st Dashaka, we have this Putana Sharira Daha Varnanam. We have the Balaka Lalanena Yashoda Dinam Ananda Varnanam. So how Putana is being burnt and how Yashoda Ma is getting happier by caressing the baby. Okay. Upajati, have you done this before?
Yes.
Yes, we have done. Okay,
Dashaka
it looks
11, I think. Dashaka 11. No.
20. 20.
Okay. Now rule. Quickly the rule. Rule. Upajati.
11, 11 and 11, 11 plus 11, I think.
11 syllables. Upendra Vajra and Indra Vajra. Yeah.
I was looking for that. 11 syllable. Yes, Lakshmi ji. Upendra Vajra and Indra Vajra together are Upajati. Where did we see? Where did we see? Upendra Vajra, Indra Vajra.
In that one Dashakam where multiple.
Dashakam 8.
Chapter 8, Vashaji.
In 8. Okay,
Eight.
so now all the homework. Huh? Okay, next week I'm going to ask again of Upajati. When I'm asking of Upajati, I need definition of Indra. I need of that. I need all the 3 definitions next week. Okay, chalo, let's go quickly into this. Raise your hands. Are my kids still there? No, they disappeared. Okay, go ahead. Adults raise hand. Okay. So I'll start with Bunny. Sumanaji, I'll come to you because you ended now, but you keep your hand raised only. I'll come to you back again after. Those who have not chanted so far, volunteer quickly. You will get preference. We have less time, but we will quickly do. So the tune on. Vajreshwara Shauri Vacho Nishamya.
वज्रेश्वरैः शौरिवचो निशम्य
Varaish, no? Vajreshwarash.
वज्रेश्वरः शौरिवचो निशम्य
समाव्रजन्नध्वनिभीतचेताः
समाव्रजन्नध्वनिभीतचेताः
निष्पिष्टनिःशेषतरुन्निरीक्ष्य
निष्पिष्टनिःशेषतरुन्निरीक्ष्य
कञ्चित् पदार्थं शरणं गतस्त्वाम्
कञ्चित् पदार्थं शरणं गतस्वाम्
वज्रेश्वरः शौरिवचो निशम्य समाव्रजन्नध्वनिभीतचेताः
व्रजेश्वरः
I'm saying Vajre, sorry. Vrajeshwara. I'm doing a wrong pronunciation. Sorry, Vane. Vrajeshwara Shauri Vacho Nishamya Samavrajannadhvani Bhita Chetaha.
व्रजेश्वरः शौरिवचो निशम्य समाव्रजन्नध्वनिभीतचेताः
निष्पिष्टनिःशेषतरुं निरीक्ष्य कञ्चित् पदार्थं शरणं गतस्त्वाम्
निष्पिष्टनिःशेषतरुन्निरीक्ष्य कञ्चित् पदार्थं शरणं गतस्वाम्
Swam, no, twam. Gataswam.
कञ्चित् पदार्थं शरणं गतस्त्वाम् व्रजेश्वरः शौरिवचो निशम्य समाव्रजन्नध्वनिभीतचेताः निष्पिष्टनिःशेषतरुन्निरीक्ष्य कञ्चित् पदार्थं शरणं गतस्त्वाम्.
So now, Brajeshwara is who? Nanda Babaji. Shauri is who? Vasudev Maharaji. Shauri Vachaha, words of Vasudevji. Nishamya, having heard, Nanda Babaji, Samavrajan, came back. Then, Adhva, so it's not Tuna, it is Samavraja, Adhvani. Adhvani. Adhva is a marga. Adhvani in the marga, on the path. Nishpishta, Nishesha Tarun. Nishpishta, crushed. And Nishesha, Taru. All the trees, not a single tree. They are, strewn trees. The trees are supposed to stand tall. All the trees are fell down and they are not only fallen down, they are crushed. Seeing that Nirikshya, Kanchit Padartham, seeing some Padarth is fallen. He's not seeing the Rakshasi because she's so huge. He's saying Kanchit Padartha, some thing that is fallen on all the trees and seeing that sight, Sharanam Gataha Tvam. Bhattatiri is saying to the Lord, to you, he has Sharanam Gata. He has surrendered to you. He's taking. So Nanda Babaji is so frightened seeing that sign that he is calling Lord's name to see him, Sharanam Gata. This is so frightening. व्रजेश्वर शौरिवचो निशम्य समाव्रजन्नध्वनिभीतचेताः. So frightening mind it was. निष्पिष्पनिःशेषतरुं निरीक्ष्य कञ्चित् पदार्थं शरणं गतस्त्वाम्. सुनीताजी. निशम्य गोपी वचनादुदन्तम्.
निशम्य गोपी वचनादुदन्तम्
सर्वेऽपि गोपा भयविस्मयान्धाः.
सर्वेऽपि गोपा भयविस्मयान्धाः
त्वत्पातितं घोरपिशाचदेहम्.
त्वत्पातितं घोरपिशाचदेहम्
देहुर्विदूरेऽथ कुठारकृत्तम्.
देहुर्विदूरेऽथ कुठारकृत्तम्
निशम्य गोपी वचनादुदन्तं सर्वेऽपि गोपा भयविस्मयान्धाः.
निशम्य गोपी वचनादुदन्तं सर्वेऽपि गोपा भयविस्मयान्धाः
त्वत्पातितं घोरपिशाचदेहम् देहुर्विदूरेऽथ कुठारकृत्तम्.
त्वत्पातितं घोरपिशाचदेहं देहुर्विदूरेऽथ कुठारकृत्तम्.
Tune is different. Okay.
निशम्य गोपी वचनादुदन्तं सर्वेऽपि गोपा भयविस्मयान्धाः त्वत्पातितं घोरपिशाचदेहम्. त्वत्पातितं घोरपिशाचदेहम्.
No. Your first tune is correct. त्वत्पातितं घोरपिशाचदेहम्.
निशम्य गोपी वचनादुदन्तं सर्वेऽपि गोपा भयविस्मयान्धाः त्वत्पातितं घोरपिशाचदेहं देहुर्विदूरेऽथ कुठारकृत्तम्.
Okay. So now what happens? Nishamya, having heard Gopi Vachana, means the Gopas hear the story, that Udantam, that story, that news of what has happened. Hearing from Gopi Vachan, Sarvepi Gopaha, all the Gopas, Bhaya, fear, Vismaya, wonder, and are blind by fear and wonder. What? This has happened, and like this, such a huge body. Tvat patitam. Bhattatiri ji is saying to Bhagwan, you had fell her down. Tvat, by you, patitam. She was fallen down. That ghora pishacha deham, that huge, humongous body, dehuhu, burnt, vidure, far. How? Kuthara krittam. By breaking it down with an axe, kuthara, with axe, krittam. By breaking the body into multiple pieces, then only they could burn it, because such a huge body it was. Nishamya gopi vachanadudantam sarvepi gopa bhayavismayandhaah tvatpatitam ghora pishacha deham dehurviduretha kuthara krittam. Sumanaji. त्वत्पीतपूतस्तनतच्छरीरात्
त्वत्पीतपूतस्तनतच्छरीरात्
समुच्चलन्नुच्चतरो हि धूमः
समुच्चलन्नुच्चरतो हि धूमः
शङ्कामधादागरवः किमेषः
शङ्कामधादागरवः किमेषः
किञ्चान्दनो गौल्गुलवोऽथ वेति
किञ्चान्दनो गौल्गुलवोऽथ वेति
त्वत्पीतपूतस्तनतच्छरीरात् sorry, I have to complete that line. समुच्चलन्नुच्चतरो हि धूमः
त्वत्पीतपूतस्तनतच्छरीरात् समुच्चलन्नुच्चतरो हि धूमः
शङ्कामधादागरवः किमेषः किञ्चान्दनो गौल्गुलवोऽथ वेति
शङ्कामधादागरवः किमेषः किञ्चान्दनो गौल्गुलवोऽथ वेति त्वत्पीतपूतस्तनतच्छरीरात् समुच्चलन्नुच्चतरो हि धूमः शङ्कामधादागरवः किमेषः किञ्चान्दनो गौल्गुलवोऽथ वेति.
Good. So now, Tvat, Bhattatiriji is saying to Lord, Tvat Pitaha, drunk by you, Putaha, purified. Whose? Tat Sharira, her body was purified because you had drunk her milk. You had sucked the poison out. So, her body is purified. Then, that burning is happening. So, bring that thing in. Samucchalan. Now, that which is Samucchala, Uccha, going up. Ucchatara and higher. Dhuma, that smoke, which is going higher and higher. Shankam adhat. Shankam adhat. Adhat, Shanka, doubt, adhat, came in the mind. What? Agaravaha means agaru. Agaru is an Ayurveda plant which is having a very good smell. Is this agaru? Kimeshaha. What is this? Is this agaru? Is this chandanaha? Is this sandalwood chandanaha? Or is it athava? It is gaulgulava, gugula. So in Kerala, many places they have this small thing. Even in other places also, that's a nice smelling kind of a thing which you put on the charcoal, and the evenings you burn in the house and you get a good smell. So it's a rexine of a plant. Gaulgulava is gugulu. Chandanaha is chandanaha, sandalwood. Agaravaha is agaru. All the three are scented because her body is getting burned and these smells are coming out because her body is putaha, is already purified. Lovely. Tvatpita putasthanatatcharira samuccalanucchataro hi dhumaha shankamadhadagaravah kimeshah kinchandano gaulgulavoth veti. Thava iti. Again, there is a sandhi there, Lalitama. Okay, next, 4. Madanga sangasya phalanna dure.
Madanga sangasya phalanna dure.
Kshanena tavat bhavatamapi syat.
Kshanena tavat bhavatamapi syat.
Ityullapan vallavatallajebhyah.
Ityullapan vallavatallajebhyah.
Tvam putanamatanutha sugandhim.
Tvam putanamatanutha sugandhim.
Madanga sangasya phalanna dure. Kshanena tavat bhavatamapi syat.
Madanga sangasya phalanna dure. Kshanena tavat bhavatamapi syat.
Ityullapan vallavatallajebhyah त्वं पूतनामातनुथाः सुगन्धिम्
इत्युल्लपन्वल्लवतल्लजेभ्यः त्वं पूतनामातनुथा सुगन्धिम् मदङ्गसङ्गस्य फलन्न दूरे क्षणेन तावत् भवतामपि स्यात् इत्युल्लपन्वल्लवतल्लजेभ्यः त्वं पूतनामातनुथा सुगन्धिम्.
Such beautiful lines are these. Madanga sangasya, mat, my anga sanga, contact with my body. Phalam na dure, the fruit of it will not be far. Kshanena tavat, immediately, bhavatam api syat, aapko bhi milega, you will also get it. Iti ullapan, as if to ullapan, to say it loudly, as if some declaration. To whom? Vallava, Tallajebhyaha. Vallavas are all the Gopas, Gopis. Tallajebhya, they are so excellent, exceedingly good Gopis. Gopas, to tell them that those who are in contact with me, with my body, they will get, released. They will get that fruit is not a delayed. And that's why Tvam, you, Putanam, to Putana, Atanutha Sugandhim. Atanutha Sugandhim, you made her fragrant. So even for a Rakshasi, if she could be like this, the ones who are doing with bhava, to them what? Madanga sangasya phalanna dure kshanena tavad bhavatamaphi syat ityullapan vallavatalajebhyaha tvam putanamatanutha sugandhim. Number 5. Very good. Chitram pishacyana hatah kumarah.
चित्रं पिशाच्यानहतः कुमारः
चित्रं पुरैवा कथिशौरिणेदम्
चित्रं पुरैवाकथिशौरिनेदम्
इति प्रशंसन् किल गोपलोकः
इति प्रशंसन् किल गोपलोकः
भवन्मुखालोकरसेऽन्यमाङ्क्षीत्
भवन्मुखालोकरसेऽन्यमाङ्क्षीत्
चित्रं पिशाच्यानहतः कुमारः चित्रं पुरैवा कथिशौरिणेदम्
चित्रं पिशाच्यानहतः कुमारः चित्रं पुरैवाकथिशौरिनेदम्
इति प्रशंसन् किल गोपलोकः भवन्मुखालोकरसेऽन्यमाङ्क्षीत्
इति प्रशंसन् किल गोपलोकः भवन्मुखालोकरसेऽन्यमाङ्क्षीत् चित्रं पिशाच्यानहतः कुमारः चित्रं पुरैवाकथिशौरिणेदम् इति प्रशंसन् किल गोपलोकः भवन्मुखालोकरसेऽन्यमाङ्क्षीत्.
Chitram, what a wonder. Pishachya, by that Pishachi, by that Rakshasi, na hataha kumaraha. This boy was not killed. Chitram, what a wonder. Pura eva kathi shaurina idam. Pura eva kathi. Earlier only Shaurina. Why Shauri? Who is Shauri? Vasudevji. Has been said this. What a wonder. He told this before. Because Nanda Baba came, rushing because he has said. So what a wonder. The boy is also not killed. And this was also told further. And like that, iti prashamsan, like this, doing the praises of the Lord, this Gopalokas, all these Gopas, Gopis, Bhavan Mukha Aloka Rase Nyamangshit. Bhavan, your, aapka, Mukhaloka, seeing your face and drinking that rasa, Nyamangshi, got dipped into that beauty of the Lord's face. They are watching the beauty and they got immersed in it, soaked in the rasa of the Lord. Chitram Pishach, the alarm for the daily Gita. Chitram Pishachana Hatah Kumaraha Chitram Puraiva Kathishaurinedam Iti Prashamsan Kila Gopalokaha भवन्मुखालोकरसेन्यमाङ्क्षीत्. Who is now there? Sumita ji. Quickly, Sumita ji, be alert and pick it up fast. Yeah. Dine dine tha prativruddha lakshmi rakshina mangalya shato vrajoyam. Sorry, we have to do the full thing. We'll do bit by bit for you. Dine dine tha.
Dine dine tha.
Thap thap thap.
Okay. Dine dine tha.
Thap thap. Prativruddha lakshmi.
Prativruddha lakshmi.
Kshenamangalya
Kshenamangalya
Shato Vrajoyam
Shato Vrajoyam
Bhavannivasa Daivasudeva
Bhavannivasa Daivasudeva
Pramodasandra Parito Vireje.
Pramodasandra Parito Vireje.
Now I'm joining all that, Pay attention. Dine dine thap prativruddha lakshmi rakshina mangalya shato vrajoyam.
Dine dine tha prativruddha lakshmi kshenamangalya shato vrajoyam.
Very good. Bhavannivasa Daivasudeva Pramodasandra Parito Vireje.
Bhavannivasa Daivasudeva Pramodasandra Parito Vireje.
Go for the full one.
Dine dine tha prativruddha lakshmi kshenamangalya shato vrajoyam bhavannivasa daivasudeva pramodasandra parito vireje.
Very good. I'm so happy for you, Sumita. You're doing very nice. Dine dine tha, dine dine, day by day, prativruddha lakshmi, prosperity is increasing. Akshena mangalya, there is no decline in the auspiciousness. Mangalya shataha, it's not happening. Vrajaha ayam, this Vraja land, because Bhavan Nivasat, because you are staying over there, Vraja is prospering. Ai Vasudeva, O Vasudeva, Pramoda Sandraha. Pramoda Sandra is that bliss, that happiness, Paritaha, all around, Vireje was shining. Just because of Lord's presence, Vrajaland was getting prosperous and there was no dearth for happiness and prosperity. Everything is bliss because Lord is over there. What else is wanted? Dine dine tha, it's increasing. Dine dine tha parivruddha lakshmi rakshina mangalya shato vrajoyam bhavan nivasa daivasudeva. Ai Vasudeva nivasat. So ending. Bhavan nivasa daivasudeva pramodasandra parito vireje. Excellent. Raji. Number 7. Griheshu te komala rupahasa katha sankulitah kamanyah.
गृहेषु ते कोमलरूपहासमिथः कथा सङ्कुलिताः कमन्यः
वृत्तेषु कृत्तेषु भवन्निरीक्षा समागताः प्रत्यहमत्यनन्दन्.
वृत्तेषु कृत्येषु भवन्निरीक्षा समागताः प्रत्यहमत्यनन्दन्. गृहेषु ते कोमलरूपहासमिथः कथा सङ्कुलिताः कमन्यः. वृत्तेषु कृत्येषु भवन्निरीक्षा समागताः प्रत्यहमत्यनन्दन्.
Lord is there, what other talk can be? Gruheshu, in the house, Komala Rupa, that delicate, that hasa, that that enchanting smile. Vitaha kataha sankulitaha kamanyaha. Kamanyaha is like how we have the word kamini, no? That means a beautiful ladies. Means all the gopis, they had no other thing but to talk about how God looks now, how he smiles now. Like that. Keep on talking about what they have seen and come. And vritteshu krutteshu, finishing all their work. Vrittas krutteshu, having done all their work. Bhavan niriksha samagataha. Again to see you, they will come. Bhavan niriksha, to see you. Bhattatriji is saying to see you, samagataha. Pratiyaham atyanandan. Atyanandam. They were like extremely happy. There's only joy. They have just finished off whatever they have to do at home and come and see the Lord. And having come back, again between them talk, how he's looking, how he's smiling, this. So they have no other subject, but every attention is on the Lord. They will finish the work. While doing the work, they are talking about Lord. Finishing the work, they are coming to see the Lord. This is all the work is happening in Braja. Griheshu te komala rupaha samitah katha sankulitah kamanyah vritteshu krutteshu bhavam niriksha samagata pratyahamatyanandan. Don't get tired so easily. We have 3 verses. I'm not leaving. Please, somebody post in Daily Gita. We are going to be about 7 minutes late. But we are completing. Somebody post over there. Sajeev ji. Aho kumaro mai datta drishtihi.
Aho kumaro mai datta drishtihi.
Smitam kritam mam prativatsakena.
Smitam kritam mam prativatsakena.
Mama, no? Mam.
Smitam kritam mam prativatsakena.
Correct. Ehyehi mamityupasarya pani.
Ehyehi mamityupasarya. Ehyehi mamityupasarya pani.
Correct. Tvaisha kinkinna kritam vadhupihi. King first is na. Second is na. Kin. Okay.
Tvaisha kinkinna kritam vadhubihi.
So nice. Aho kumaro mai datta drishtihi smitam kritam mam prativatsakena.
Aho kumaro mai datta drishtihi smritam kritam mam prativatsakena.
Ehyehi mamityupasarya pani tvaisha kinkinna kritam vadhubihi.
Ehyehi mamityupasarya pani tvaisha kinkinna kritam vadhubihi. Aho kumaro mai datta drishtihi smritam kritam mam prativatsakena. Ehyehi mamityupasarya pani tvaisha kinkinna kritam vadhubihi.
Aho, oh my God, Kumara, this boy, mai datta drishtihi, he gave his eye contact to me. Smitam kritam mam, he smiled at me. And all such things, they have prativatsakena to that baby. They had all these feelings. And they would say, ehyehi mam, I will take you. Iti upasarya pani. They would stretch the arms, upasarya pani. Stretching the arms, hey, to take, come to me, they would say, Tvaisha, to you, kim, na kritam, vadhubi, what and not they have done for you. Who? The vadhubi, all the gopikas, what all they're saying. They were so excited to see that as though Lord is seeing them only, they felt. Each one felt that the Lord is smiling, looking at them, so they would stretch and then come to me, they would, I'll take you. So beautiful description. We have to dwell on these verses, but we are running through it. Okay, Ehi, come to me. Aho kumaro mai datta drishtihi smitam kritam mam prativatsakena ehyehi mamityupasarya pani tvaisha kinkinna kritam vadhubihi. What all they could do, they were trying to do. Number 9. भवद्वपुस्पर्शनकौतुकेन
भवद्वपुस्पर्शनकौतुकेन
करात्करङ्गोपवधूजनेन
करात्करङ्गोपवधूजनेन
नीतस्त्वमाताम्रसरोजमाला व्यालम्बितोलम्बतुलामलासीः
नीतस्त्वमाताम्रसरोजमाला व्यालम्बितोलम्बतुलामलासीः
भवद्वपुस्पर्शनकौतुकेन करात्करङ्गोपवधूजनेन
भवद्वपुस्पर्शनकौतुकेन करात्करङ्गोपवधूजनेन
नीतस्त्वमाताम्रसरोजमाला व्यालम्बितोलम्बतुलामलासीः
नीतस्त्वमाताम्रसरोजमाला व्यालम्बितोलम्बतुलामलासीः भवद्वपुस्पर्शनकौतुकेन करात्करङ्गोपवधूजनेन नीतस्त्वमाताम्रसरोजमाला व्यालम्बितोलम्बतुलामलासीः
Beautiful description again it has come. Bhavadvapuhu, your body, sparshana kautukena, that touching of your body is giving so much kautuka, giving such a joy. So, karat karam, from the one hand to another hand, gopu vadhujanena. They are passing the baby from one hand to another hand because everybody wants to feel the Lord, touch the Lord. And Neetaha, when the Lord is being taken, Neetastu, Atamra Saroja, like a on red lotus mala, Atamra Saroja mala, Vyalambi, this Vyalambi, Lolamba, Kulamadasi, this bee is going from that flower to flower in a lotus mala, how it will look like that, you are looking like this bee going from one hand to another. All these hands of gopis are described like a lotus. And they are standing so very close. So Lord is going from one lotus to another. It is describing like that. So this young hands, this little tender baby who is resplendent, that description is amazing. So we have to dwell on these verses, but we are going to run. Bhavat Vapusparshana Kau. You can mute yourself. Bhavat Vapusparshana Kautukena Karatkarangopavadhujanena Neetastvamatambra Sarojamala Vyanam Bilolam Batulamalasi. So sweet, so sweet. Okay, last and not the least one. I've got two names, but I'll take one name. Lataji, you can come over. Nipayayanti Stanamang. But no, Lalita Ma, you also come. Or should I? Or I didn't reduce the hand, I don't know, but let us do it. I can't deny like that. Nipayayanti Stanamankagantvam.
Nipayayanti stanamangakam tvam.
Kagam.
Nipayayanti stanamankagam tvam.
Vilokayanti vadanau hasanti.
Vilokayanti vadanau hasanti.
Vilokayanti vadanau hasanti.
Dashan Yashoda Katamanna Bheje.
Dashan Yashoda Katamanna Bheje.
Dashan Yashoda Katamanna Bheje.
Satadrishah Pahi Hare Gadanmam.
Satadrishah Pahi Hare Gatanmam.
Satadrishah Pahi Hare Gadanmam.
निपाययन्ती स्तनमङ्कगन्त्वां विलोकयन्ती वदनौ हसन्ती
निपाययन्ति स्तनमङ्कगं त्वां विलोकयन्ति वदनौ हसन्ति
निपाययन्ति स्तनमङ्कगन्त्वां विलोकयन्ति वदनौ हसन्ति
दशां यशोदा कतमान्न भेजे स तादृशः पाहि हरे गदान्माम्
दशां यशोदा कतमान्न भेजे स तादृशः पाहि हरे गदान्माम्
दशां यशोदा कतमान्न भेजे सतादृशः पाहि हरे गदान्माम्
निपाययन्ति स्तनमङ्कगं त्वां विलोकयन्ति वदनौ हसन्ति दशां यशोदा कतमान्न भेजे स तादृशः पाहि हरे गदान्माम्
निपाययन्ति स्तनमङ्कगन्त्वां विलोकयन्ति वदनौ हसन्ति दशां यशोदा कतमान्न भेजे सतादृशः पाहि हरे गदान्माम् सदा सर्वत्र गोविन्दनाम
I'll do that.
संकीर्तनम्
Okay. Govinda, Govinda.
गोविन्द
Okay. Nipayayantis. Getting fed from her breast. Nipayanti stanam. Ankagam. Sitting on her lap. Tvam. You. Vilokayanti. Vadanam. You are looking at her face. And hasanti. You are smiling at her. Dasham. The state of bliss or joy. Yashodama. Katamanna Bheje, God alone knows what all state of joy she has attained while doing all this. Breastfeeding, holding the Lord. He is watching her face. He is smiling at her. God alone knows what all stages she has attained. What stages of happiness, bliss she has attained. Tadrisha, like that. Oh Hari. Pahi Gadama, you protect me and free me from all the disease. This is how Bhattacharya ends in such a lovely words. Nipayayanti stanamanka gantva vilokayanti vadanau hasanti dasha yashoda katamanna bheje satadrishah pahi hare gadanma Sada sarvatra govinda nama sankirtanam Govinda Govinda Narayana Akhila Guru Bhagavan Namaste. Lalita ji, you can mute yourself. Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Harihi Om Om Shanti 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 Shri Krishnarpanamastu Hari Om. As per the Sankalpa, 2 Dashakams by His grace we could just run through. We'll have to go into Daily Gita, followed by 7:15 is the Eknati Bhagavad session also. Those who are still not joined these 2 sessions, please do join. Anybody having any doubts on today's pronunciation, please WhatsApp me. We'll clear it over there. Next Monday, we get into 42. And we should be prepared for 3 Dashakams at least per week. And with His grace, if we all put the Sankalpa, it will happen. Like today, I had felt that we should do it. And somehow it has fitted, but we are 15 minutes late into Daily Gita. So it's like almost 2 hours session of 1.5 hours, which we had extended. So apologies if I'm holding you all too much. Y'all please message that it needs to end at 6:30. So if you have any commitments, because it's not in my hand that it won't get under control and carried away while taking the Narayaniam. Whenever we get a chance, let it happen is the only urge that. So thank you everyone for joining. See you all next Monday with renewed energy. Do the homework and come, write all the Dashakams and come. meters, the chandas, then only it will stay. Okay. Hari Om, everyone. Thank you.
Hari Om,
Hari Om,
Varshaji,
Varshaji.
and Happy New Year.
Hari Om.
Happy New Year.
Hari Om Varshaji. Thank you very much.
Hari Om ji. Hari Om.
Thank you.
Hari Om,
Hari Om.
Varshaji. Thank you.
Hari Om.
Hari Om Varshaji.
Hari Om ji. Hari Om.